see how you're making it. Maybe I can actually make it at home as well. I think this is made popular. This is Indian roti. Is this really from India or Thailand?
Thailand.
Okay. I thought it was even Indians that owns it. So Indians stole the roti from you guys. This is like, you know, flour, eggs and banana roti. I'm trying to eat everything here in Thailand. I've never eaten roti before. She's trying to make mine now. This is like bakery. This is like baking bread at home. Like pizza. Exactly, just like pizza. That's the beautiful thing about going to different countries. You get to, like, you know, discover new food. You know, eat foods that you've actually never eaten before. You know, you try something you never tried previously. You know, that's just the beautiful thing about, like, you know, going to different countries. You know, it's just like I saw crocodile meat. I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do it, you know. I was afraid. I was really afraid. And applying sauce. Yes. This is like preparing pizza. Okay, yeah. Oh, no problem. Thank you very much. Then this is eggs combined with banana as well. Then she's frying both of them together. In the hot oil, man. This is no joke. This is the beautiful thing about coming to Thailand. When you are in Thailand, you discover a lot of, you know, foods you've never seen before. That is butter. Butter. Okay? So that it doesn't burn. Okay, I understand. You're going to have one as well? You're going to try? They're trying to reduce the oil. What is this? Huh? Huh?
Vanilla.
Okay. Okay, this is vanilla. Vanilla sauce. Yes. How much is it? 80 baht. 80 baht is like, $2. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you very much, sir. No. Yeah. Okay. I'm trying to eat my. Yeah, we'll sit down over there. Trying to eat my fucking banana roti. This is something I've never tried before. I hope it tastes good. Oh God.
Something to eat?
Yeah, you can just hold it. Yeah, let me try.
Yeah.
Banana roti. Damn, it's so good.
Oh, okay.
Damn, this is nice. Mamma mia.
Mamma mia.
Have you eaten it before? Have you tasted it?
Huh?
Have you eaten banana roti before?
Banana. On the road?
Have you tried this banana roti? Have you tried it before? Have you tasted it before?
No.
I'll get another one for you.
Oh, no.
You don't want to have. You don't want to taste. Man, you don't know what you're missing. This is really nice.
No.
What's the name of this place? What's the name of this place?
Also the night.
It's also Walking Street.
Yes,
It can also be
also
classified as
Walking
Walking
Street,
Street. If you want to try this banana roti,
Banana roti.
then when you come to Walking Street, you walk towards the end of the street. There is this market at the right hand side. You just go into the fruit market in Walking Street. You will see you see a lot of people making this banana roti. It's really, really nice. It's really, really nice. Mamma mia. And it's hot as well. I love it. I really love it. That's the beautiful thing about coming to Thailand. When you come to Thailand, you get to discover a lot of food that you've not actually eaten before. You discover a lot of really, really nice food that you've never eaten before. And I want to I like to assimilate into people's culture. Whatever everyone is eating, I want to eat as well. But the crocodile meat, no.
can.
Crocodile meat? No, I'm not doing it. Mm. Mm. Banana roti you all. It's nice.
Someone mix the chocolate also.
Um,
Chocolate.
they added vanilla sauce on my own. But other people, they have like, different sauce you can add. But I chose vanilla. Mm. This is nice. Banana roti you all.